Hello, friends. Today I will show you how to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a smart tool that writes text when you give a prompt. It is used by students, writers, freelancers, and many businesses. If you want to earn online, ChatGPT can help you in many ways. Stay with me until the end, because I will share practical methods and also my favorite tools. I will also share some tips about rules, taxes, and how to make your online work safe. Part 1. Writing services. The first method is writing services. Many people need blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. You can use ChatGPT to create these texts faster. For example, if a client needs a 1,000-word article, you can write it in minutes with ChatGPT. Then you edit, make it natural, and deliver the work. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are great places to find clients. These platforms connect freelancers with people who need work. Writing jobs are always in demand because businesses want fresh content. Let's take an example. A small business wants a blog post about healthy food. They may pay you $50 for one article. If you use ChatGPT, you can create the draft in 10 minutes, spend 20 minutes editing, and deliver. That means you can earn $50 in less than 1 hour. If you do this every day, you can build a stable online income. CTA idea. If you want to improve your writing quality, check Jasper AI with my link in the description. Part 2. Ebooks and guides, $220 to $350. The second method is selling ebooks and guides. You can ask ChatGPT to write about a topic like fitness, cooking, or personal finance. Then you format it into an ebook and publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP. People buy digital books every day, and Amazon pays you royalties. This is a good way to make passive income because one book can earn money for many years. For example, imagine you write an ebook called 30 Quick Healthy Recipes. ChatGPT can give you 30 recipe drafts. You add your own style, pictures, and make it look nice. You can publish it for $4.99, and every time someone buys, you earn money. If 100 people buy in a month, that is almost $500. To design your ebook cover, you can use Canva or similar design tools. Good cover design is very important because people buy with their eyes. CTA idea. I use Canva to design my ebook covers. Try Canva free with my affiliate link. Part 3. Chatbots for small business, $350 to $520. The third method is building chatbots for businesses. Small shops, restaurants, or local services often want to answer clients automatically. With the ChatGPT API, you can create a chatbot that answers questions or takes orders. For example, a restaurant can use a chatbot to answer, "What time do you open?" or "Do you deliver pizza?" This saves time for the business owner and improves customer service. You can sell this service for a monthly fee, like $50 or $100 per month. If you get 10 clients, that can be $1,000 every month. This needs some technical setup, but it is not too hard if you follow tutorials on YouTube or official OpenAI guides. CTA idea. Check the OpenAI API pricing before you start. Link in description. Part 4. Video scripts and content, $520 to $650. The fourth method is making video scripts. You can ask ChatGPT to write a script for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Then you use video tools like Pictory to convert text into video with images and voiceover. This way, you can run a faceless channel where you don't need to show your face. Many channels already use AI scripts to grow fast. Some people earn thousands of dollars every month from ad revenue and affiliate links. You can also sell video scripts to other creators. For example, on Fiverr, you can offer a service like, "I will write an engaging YouTube script using AI." Creators are ready to pay $20 to $100 per script, depending on length. CTA idea. Try Pictory free. Link below. Part 5. Prompt packs and services. $6.50 to $8.20. The fifth method is selling prompt packs. A prompt is the text you write for ChatGPT to get good results. Many people do not know how to write prompts. You can sell ready-made prompt templates on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. For example, you can create a pack of 100 prompts for small businesses and sell it for $15. If 50 people buy, you earn $750. You can also work as a prompt engineer and create custom prompts for clients. This is a new but growing market, and demand is increasing fast. CTA idea. I recommend checking my free prompt guide. Link below. Part 6. Freelancing and gig work rules. $8.20 to $9.20. When you make money online, you must also follow rules. First, check the tax law in your country. In the United States, the IRS, irs.gov, says you must report gig income. Other countries also have similar rules, often on government tax websites. Second, make clear contracts with your clients. Always agree on price and deadlines before you start. This will protect you and make your work professional. Some universities like Harvard.edu and organizations like OECD.org also publish guides about digital freelancing and legal aspects. It is important to read these to avoid problems. Part 7. Limitations and tips. $9.20 to $10.20. Remember that ChatGPT is powerful, but not perfect. Sometimes the text may have mistakes or need editing. You must always check facts and avoid plagiarism. Also, tell your clients if you use AI when it is required. To get better results, you must practice writing good prompts. Better prompts mean better content and more money. Also, use academic sources to fact-check your content. Websites like Google Scholar, Elsevier Journals, and .edu libraries have high-quality information. CTA idea. If you want to learn prompt skills, download my free guide in the description. Part 8. Extra methods to reach $6,000 goal. $10.20, $12.30. If your goal is to reach $6,000 in a few months, you need to combine methods. Here are some extra ideas. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Make tutorial videos about Jasper, Canva, or Pictory. Share your affiliate link. If people sign up, you earn a commission. Course creation. Use ChatGPT to help you create an online course. Sell it on Udemy or Teachable. Translation services. ChatGPT can help you translate and edit text. Many businesses pay for bilingual content. Social media management offer to manage Instagram or TikTok. Accounts with AI help. You can create captions, hashtags, and posting schedules. 12:30 até o fim. So, today, we learned many ways to make money with ChatGPT. Writing services, ebooks, chatbots, video scripts, prompt packs, and more. If you use these methods, you can build a side income or even a full-time online job. But remember, success needs practice and patience. Start small, improve your skills, and grow step by step. Don't forget to check the links in the description. Jasper AI for better writing, Canva for design, Pictory for video creation. My free prompt guide. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends. See you in the next video.